I'm Jimena.
I'm Dee Dee.
And we are Chips and Salsa, two homeschool moms bringing you some encouraging, fun, and inspiring tips. And guess what?
This month at the Partnering with Parents workshop at the Rock Church City Heights, we are going to be talking.
Woohoo!
Yes! Somebody say City Heights.
City Heights?
That's right. Rock Kids at the Rock Church City Heights is putting on parenting workshops. It's so cool.
I know, I love it. And the topic of this workshop is Homeschool Conversations with Chips and Salsa. So this workshop is for anybody who has questions about homeschooling. Maybe you just want to know what we do. What is it all about? Maybe you really want to homeschool your kids and you don't even know where to start. Or maybe you already homeschool your kids and you just want to come get some tips.
If you already homeschool in this community, it's so important to come and meet other homeschool moms because having a friend who homeschools with you is a major blessing. The workshop will be February 28th from 6:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. in the Rock Kids area.
So make sure that you RSVP because childcare is limited. The link is above and share this video.
We can't wait to see you there.
Bring your questions. Bring your concerns.